In this video, I will by step how I made $10,211 with Fiverr affiliate program just by using free traffic, and I made this commission just in 13 days from the first day of this month, okay, of July, until the day 13 of this month. I made $10,211. In this video, I will show you guys my methods, my strategies that helped me to earn this commission, from how you can find the right services that you should start promoting if you want to earn commission, how you can find the right customers who will buy those services from your affiliate link so you will earn commission, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end, and you will just need to copy and paste, and you will start making some commissions like this, okay? Anyway, for people who are new to my YouTube account and they want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate program, all you have to do, guys, is you just need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address to sign up, and after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr, okay? So this will be your Fiverr home page. So what you will do next is you just need to come to this page, okay, and scroll down. Let me show you. So just scroll down, go to community, and click over here on affiliate, okay? So just click on affiliate like this, and you will be directly to this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commission, and this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever, because they are paying good commission, not like other affiliate marketing businesses that will pay you just few cents. This one is profitable. So just click over here on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see, guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. So just put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and you can choose your country from here, and you can choose your language. If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy, will take just a few minutes. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard, okay? You should see your commissions here, your clicks, CTR, and so on, okay? All you have to do now is you need to choose good services that you will promote on Facebook to earn commission using free traffic, of course, okay? So what you will do, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr like this, go back to your home page, and I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting on Facebook to earn commission, okay? And this is one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting. So click on the search for, okay? So just click on the search here, search for video editor, okay? Search for video editor or video editing, it's the same. I'm gonna search for this service. I want you to pay attention in this step, okay? So always guys, make sure to choose good sellers. Always choose good sellers. Choose sellers who has a lot of reviews, like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, pro sellers, because people will check those sellers, will check the feedback of those sellers. If they find those sellers they are good sellers, then they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission, okay? So choose good one, choose good seller. So let me see if we can find some good sellers here. We have this one is level 2 seller, professional using Premiere Pro, Joe. We have this one. This one, his service starting from $10. So a lot of people can buy this service, okay? So let's see if we can find good one again. We have this one is top rated seller. Also guys, choose sellers who provide good services and also good prices, okay? The price should not be expensive, okay? Good price and good service. So I think I'm gonna choose this. This one is level 2. So I will just choose this one. Okay, I will do professional edit your video using Premiere Pro. This one is good. I'm gonna click on this one. So just choose the service that you want to use. So for me, I choose this one, and you will be directly in this seller profile page. And as you can see, guys, this seller has 3 orders in queue, and you can see how many people paid for this service. Over 2,000 people paid for this service. Okay, so that's really good. So what you will do next, you will copy the link of this seller, copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here. You have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on deep link, put this seller profile link here, and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do now is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay, so that's what you need to do. It's super easy. So what you will do is you need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook. Sorry, it's not on Pinterest. This video we will promote this affiliate link on Facebook. So what you will do, you will go and open your Facebook homepage like this. You guys all have Facebook accounts, okay? So all you need to do is you just need to go to your Facebook homepage, click on the search for video editor, search for video editor, scroll down, you have here filters, scroll down and click on groups. We need Facebook groups about video editors, okay? And here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are a lot of Facebook groups that you need to join. They are for free. Just click on join and make sure to join all those groups. They are for free. Let's choose one of those groups. So for example, this one is public group, has a lot of people here. Video editing, I'm gonna click on this one. So just click on the Facebook group that you want to use, and you will be directly in this Facebook group homepage like this, as you can see. Let me show you. So you will be directly in this homepage. Scroll down. Let me see. So if you scroll down, you can find a lot of people here who are searching for video editor. And let me show you. As you can see, here is a person. Hi everyone. Any expert video editor needed. Okay. This person just posted this post today on Facebook, on this Facebook group, and he is searching for expert video editor. Okay, let's scroll down. Okay, video editor needed. Here is another person searching for video editor. Okay, do you see that? Those people are searching for video editor. Let's scroll down. I need an intermediate video editor. Here is another person searching for video editor. And you will find a lot of people here searching for video editor. Here is another person just posted this post today. Hello, I need a video editor, searching for video editor. So what you will do, let's choose one. So for example, let me see. I'm gonna choose this one. So I will just click on his name, and I will click over here on message. I will send a professional and friendly message to this person with my Fiverr affiliate link with the service video editing. So this person is searching for a professional video editor. This seller is level 1 seller on Fiverr, level 2 seller on Fiverr. He has a good experience in video editing, and this seller will help this person to edit his videos, okay? And that's it, and they will earn commission. That's how it works, okay? So what you will do, you will go back. Let's go back. So this person is searching for a video editor. So what we need is we need to send a professional and friendly message to this person with our affiliate link, okay? So what you will do, you will go to ChatGPT. We will use AI. Go to Google and search for ChatGPT. Sign up by using your email address. It's for free. You can use the free version. This AI will help you to create an amazing and professional message. So This will be your homepage after you finish your sign up process. Click over here on message ChatGPT and put this message, or you can create your own if you want. So I asked ChatGPT create a professional and friendly message that I can send to people on Facebook groups to buy video editing service from my Fiverr affiliate link. And here you go. So he created this one about gaming videos, and I asked him, it's not about gaming. So he gave me this one. This one is good. Hey everyone, are you looking to enhance your videos with professional editing? I have been using an incredible video editing service on Fiverr, and I wanted to share it with you all. Whether you are need clean cuts, creative transition, or stunning effects, this service, that's a professional and friendly message. Okay, so I will copy this message like this. All you need to do is you need to copy this message, go to Facebook, and go to this person who is searching for video editor and click on paste. Okay, and here you need to put your affiliate link. Okay, let me show you. So here we need to put our affiliate link. We will go back to our Fiverr affiliate account, and for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you have new account, you can't see this option Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So just copy your affiliate link from here and go back to Facebook and put your affiliate link here. So first, let's go back. So first guys, this affiliate link is too much long, so we need to make it short. It's not important, but for me, I like to make this affiliate link short link. You can just go to this website and you can use it. You can put your affiliate link here